Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about virtual USDT trading pair with my customer Microset. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, the virtual pump it, and people act like, wow, it's a gem, it's a brand new token. I knew it. I on early stage invested in this token. Guys, chill out. This is just a rebranded token from previous one token, which nobody even care about. And also, this is example, we can't know, absolutely nobody know what next decision about rebranding, about the changing the, the sector will be for any token. I don't know, maybe tomorrow, maybe the Jasmine will become like AI agent platform. Who knows? Maybe absolutely everything will be changed. Tokenomics, utility, and new solutions, blah, 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 all that stuff. They migrate to new contract and they will be just rebranded new token. Nobody know, right? That's why, guys, we work only with current data, what we can analyze now. And yes, sometimes we can work only with the chart and the price action, what we get now. We can't know. Maybe tomorrow, right, some new token which laid down at the bottom, like ZIL, for example, Zilliqa. Everybody complain now about Zilliqa, like it's 2 cents. Nobody care. Maybe ZIL will start introduce some new roadmap, like they already did it, but add some more utility, maybe also for AI agent. Who knows? And Zilliqa pump it to $3 and everybody talk, oh yes, I knew it. I knew it, I believe in it. No, we can't know the news. We can't know the upcoming posts. We can't know the upcoming updates, partnership. That's why, guys, unfortunately, we can work with current data, what we get now. So congrats everybody who hold that token before one things. Congrats everybody who tracked the AI agent narrative also in spring 2024. Before last year, nobody talked about, or just a few group of people. I never heard about AI agent, in spring 2024. So in summer, nobody care about this one token. How high this token can pump? Nobody knows, guys. Nobody knows. Nobody know where exactly this token will stop. We will try to identify the levels. Got it. So how we can do this one? 1 billion market capitalization. The top of the top, it's no make sense to predict the top of the top because the time for accumulation was here, summer and September. After that, imagine from 1 cent, this token pump it on centralized exchanges here on a max from 1 cent 5. Pump it already 34, almost 35,000% gains. Can be this as a top for this token? Basically, yes, because it was on the spot. Some people who hold it here accumulate their bags and knew about migration and knew about the AI agent solution and all of that stuff. Maybe it was the insider traders. They will start fix the profit, definitely. And I would like to show you why and how. With indicator set, money power. Take a look here. 1, 2 in October on a weekly time frame at 15 cents from 1 cent to 50 cents. The big guys start to fix a profit. After that, here October, November, everything was good, right? And they start fix a profit again. In December, 2 weeks in a row, they fixed the profit. So kind of weird, right? We trade at the top after 35, almost 35,000% gains, guys. Ask yourself, is it okay for you to buy now the token which traded at before at 1 cent and now at $3.51? For what? So of course we can hit, for example, 10 billion market capitalization. So $10. But ask yourself, is it what you're looking for from the token? Here, 10 billion market capitalization. Do you want to invest in token for 181% gains during the upcoming altcoin season, while that guys already made like 35,000% gain? So just turn on the logic. I don't want to tell you that projects are bad, guys. It's good. AI agent, it's a new trend, new solution, utility, all of that stuff. But guys, we talk about USDT profit. So just think about, is it okay for you to invest now in that token? All right, 20 billion market capitalization. So $20. So 500% is also what you're looking for from the alts. If yes, of course you can invest. Now on the weekly, we at the distribution zone. Direction, we also at the top, but without signals to sell. Here was a money fixation, so some whales fixed the profit. Monthly time frame, unfortunately, no data because not enough data for that token here. How it looks like on daily here. Strange, right? Of course, guys, I can't track all of that tokens. It's impossible. It's just physically impossible to know all of them and track all of them. But if you use my custom microsite, you could track it here. So somebody since basically May 2024 start accumulate aggressively that token. So it's kind of interesting, right? Now we form the top distribution and crazy daily divergence. Imagine here is the top, dump. A lot of signals to out of that token. And now a lot of people will stock at $5.22. And do you think that guys will out at $5 at break even? No, they will add more and wait to 10 billion market capitalization, to 20 billion, to 50 billion market capitalization, to 100 billion market capitalization, and all of that stuff, guys. But just be careful. So think about it. Is it okay to you invest now or just maybe invest in some other project with the same narrative, with same sector AI agent, sector category for bigger gains? Maybe makes sense. So locally, yes, of course, it was a entry for local trades. But guys, it's a daily time frame. It was a daily time frame bounce on the BTC drop. So it's kind of, now for me personally, it's kind of overhyped. 35,000% gains, guys. What are we talking about? Here, weekly time frame. Let's go to trade on. Here, yes, it was signal to buy in September. Take profit, sell. No new signal to buy, unfortunately, guys. And also take a look on the monthly. We got a gap. I don't think so. We will drop now to that gap. You know, I think yes, we can form, of course, a correction in February, but we can't say is it top or not. So locally, of course, we'll leave the monthly gap. Sooner or later, guys, in next bear market, I think definitely we will drop one more time to the zone of 88.50 cents. I think it's just my take, of course. If we talk about this one, so if we use just a FIB on the monthly, so let's imagine. So this was an impulse, top, correction to 0.5. Next step can be, and the top can be this one block is usually playing out like distribution, and maybe 8 billion 50, $8.47 at this current moment. So at this current moment, we can't know is it a top or not, guys. But definitely, if and when BTC dominance will be under 45%, even the virtual can maybe move one more time up and form some bigger divergence, bigger divergence on the weekly, on the monthly. So just in case. Money power I showed you, market mood direction ADZ. So direction I already showed you. ADZ we're looking at also in distribution. Market mood, it's total madness, total euphoria on the weekly. Daily, when you see the gray color, it's a great time to buy. Now, all of that time period, it's madness, total madness, euphoria. We bounce it. Would be good to see the best case scenario for this token. It's formed something like this one, breaking out and form another high. Then summer, zone 25, another correction, and one more to 10 billion market capitalization impulse and going down into the bear market. So it's just in theory, right? But we can't know, guys, how high this token will pump with this hype around AI agent. We can't just know. Take profit. Take profit here. What is good and what is bad? We drop it to the exit line, even below. Take profit line, retest. It can be $2.36 at this current moment. Buy line, now it's $1.17. 12 time frame, it's $1.97. So at $1.97 with sweep of the low of December 24, maybe can be the good entry for the swing trades or for intraday trades. Guys, I'm not talking about investment for this token, but guys, it's just my take, you know. I don't see any reason invest in token after 35,000% gains for 500% profits during the altcoin season with a crazy risk and wait 20 billion market capitalization. So this is just a logic. So this is not only about a TA, right? So this is a zone where more than okay, maybe we'll buy back to this token for this one. For 100% profit, withdraw initial deposit, live from some tokens. So here, 6 billion market cap, it can be like 6.6 billion market capitalization, 239% gains. But one more time, guys, what's the point? For our time frame here, the buy line is $2.33, fundamental value of this token $1.75. And it's more than okay, guys, because this token, even in October 24, you know, before the United States election, it was like 6 cents. Nobody cared about this token. This token hit $5. So guys, unfortunately, everything should be in time. We can't just hop in blindly now, even with the hype around the altcoins, and wait, oh, we should form some crazy 10x again. No, guys, it doesn't work like this one. So all zones were to fix profit. I showed you the potential. We can't know. Just in theory, we market like 10 billion market capitalization, 8.5 billion market cap, and the zone for accumulation also I shared with you. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about virtual. Do you want to invest in this token now at this current prices or not? And what is your realistic price target by end of the cycle for this token? And if you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed in this video, just write me down, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.